Hi guys, today I wanted to install or apply Fly by 30. This is CarPro Fly by 30. It's a windshield rain repellent treatment, and open up this packaging a little bit and see what it has in it. Looks like a three-step process. Basically, I gotta clean the windshield with eraser, and then polish the glass with Ceraglass, and then lastly apply the windshield repellent, rain repellent, as a last coating on top of everything else. So I'll open that up later, but basically start with the CarPro eraser. That'll clean the windshield really good, and then from there we'll polish the glass. I'm going to do one side at a time, so we'll see how that works out. It's my first time using this product, so we'll see how it goes. I think as a general rule, I should probably shake this up. Now we're going to put on the CarPro Ceraglass and polish the glass before we put on the rain repellent. A little bit on the plastic there, better get that off. Bear with me, guys. Sometimes these chemicals don't do too good on plastic, so I figure I better get that off of there. All right. Leave some stains in there. I'm gonna move this a little closer so you can get a better idea what's going on. Oh, there you go. Pro Racer. Using the Rag Company Waffle Weave windshield towel.
So, not really sure about that. We'll keep going here.
I'll tell you one thing, the glass here is squeaky clean. You can hear it. But I still got little rock pits. And it shows up pretty good. So now we're gonna see if we can figure out how to open this package. I'll try the Fly by Night rain repellent, windshield rain repellent coating. That's the CarPro Fly by 30. And for that, they give you a little applicator. I guess you can't see what I'm doing over here. I gotta move this camera back a little bit. They give you a little applicator, a little micro suede applicator. You can put that on there. Wrap it around. And it has this little notch on the side. I should probably have a little butter knife to plug it in, but I think I can hold it by hand. And then you just take this Fly by 30 and you dab it on here. And then just go ahead and bring the camera back close again. You can see what we're doing. And it says to just put it on in a crisscross pattern. Let it sit for about a couple minutes. So we're gonna take a look at the instructions again, make sure. But first step is the Ceraglass polish, and use the eraser to take it off. Fly by 30, crisscross motion 1/2 of the windshield. Allow to flash and haze for approximately 1 to 3 minutes. So we'll let that set, and then we'll wipe it off. All right, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so the product's been on here about 3 or 4 minutes, letting it haze. So now it's time to wipe it off and then give it the hydrophobic characteristics test and see how that goes. So says you just wipe it off, and it's a little tricky with this tiny little microfiber they give you, but give it a shot. Feels nice and glossy. Hopefully this stuff works. I don't know exactly why I'm doing it. Just wanted to try it. See if the water beads off of it really nicely if it ever gets wet, or when I'm washing the car. Hopefully it's helpful. And when I'm drying the windows, I don't get spotty and stuff like that. I went ahead and did the other side, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off as well. Well, there we go. I'll come back in a little bit here and we'll test it with the water up close to see how that comes out, how the hydrophobic characteristics are. All right, guys, so we're going to pour a little water on this freshly coated glass and see how the hydrophobic characteristics are. Looks pretty good to me. Beads right up and pulls right down to the bottom. Of course, I'm not trying to get my car all dirty, all wet, I should say. So I'm just going to give you a little test of that. I think you get the idea. And I got this Ethos Clarity ceramic glass cleaner that I use. This product right here, Ethos Clarity ceramic glass cleaner. Seems like this stuff works pretty good. I like it. The glass just feels like super slick, and I think if I ever get any rain or when I'm washing the car, this is going to really make it easy to clean the glass. Supposedly you don't have to hardly even use your wipers with this stuff, so that's the whole idea. I mean, not that I want to be in the rain a lot, but you know, it happens. So there you have it. Thanks a lot, folks.